Economics class. All right, on the board we have budget. You've heard of budget before, right? We are going to consider what is budget, importance of budget, types of budget, characteristics of a good budget. Sit tight, you will learn something. All right, what is budget? A budget is a financial plan that shows the estimated income and expenditure of an individual, a family, business, or government over a specific period of time. I will take that again. Pay attention. A budget is a financial plan that shows the estimated income and expenditure of an individual, a family, business, or government over a specific period of time. Now, when you're talking about budget, you consider number one, financial plan. We say this a what? It's a financial plan that shows you consider estimated what? Income and expenditure of an individual, family, business, or government. Are you following? Within a specific period of time. So when you are thinking about budget, you consider financial plan, estimated income and expenditure, period, within a specific period of time. Now, financial plan in the sense that budget has to do with allocation of resources. It has to do with financial planning. It has to do with money. So you see someone say, I am budgeting 50,000 naira. It is not enough to say you are budgeting 50,000 naira. 50,000 naira for how long? I'm budgeting 50,000 naira for 1 month. So that makes specific period of time very important in the definition of what? Budget. All right, now estimated income and expenditure. If, for example, you budgeted 50,000 naira on an income of 100,000, for example. Now, why estimated is because your income within the month might be more than 100,000 or below 100,000. So you budget within a particular benchmark, let's say 100,000. But it's estimated because it can exceed 100,000, it can go below 100,000, including your expenditures. Your expenditures can also go above 50,000 naira for that month or below 50,000 naira, depending on circumstances. So there must be estimated income and expenditure within a specific period of time, a financial plan within this period. That is budget. I don't know if you understand what budget is now. So anytime anybody is making budget, there must be what? Estimated income and expenditure, how the money will come and how the money will go, and there must be a time frame around budget. Are you following? All right, we are going to consider the importance of budget. Why is budgeting important? Number one, budget helps in proper planning of income and expenditure. It helps in proper planning of income and expenditure. Number two, budget helps you to reduce unnecessary expenses. Is that in the budget? Is not in the budget? Keep it aside. Is that in the budget? Is not in the budget? Keep it aside. All right, so budget helps you to curtail unnecessary expenses. Number three, budget helps in efficient use of resources, because if you have 100,000 for a month, your estimated income, for example, you will judiciously use the 100,000 within the things that are in the budget. When you do that, it helps you to efficiently use resources. All right, number four is that budgeting helps in achieving savings goals. It helps in achieving savings goals. If you have budgeted 50,000 naira for a month, now when you have extra income, You dare not use the extra income to buy whatever you want to buy. You keep it aside because you have already budgeted 50,000 for the month. If you now have 60, 70, 80, 90 and whatsoever that is necessary, you can be able to now save those because you have a budget. Are you following? All right, these are importance of budget. In the next class, we will consider types of budget and characteristics of a good budget. So this budget is part 1. So in the next class, we consider types of budget and characteristics of a good budget. If you don't have a budget, this is a new month. At the end of this class, you will just have to, tear a sheet of paper or get a diary and put down a financial plan for the month of August. Budget is very important. I trust you have learned something from this class. Drop your questions in the comment section. Bye for now.